AI layoffs are accelerating around the world, but it's not just about automation. In September alone, over 19,000 tech workers lost their jobs. Now, a new wave of offshoring could be changing the global workforce forever. Coming up, shocking job cuts in tech, QuickFrame redefines ad creation, Figma invests in AI design, and the legal sector faces new AI-related risks. Let's dive into today's biggest headlines in AI. If you want daily AI news updates that keep you ahead of the curve, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a headline. In September, over 19,000 tech jobs vanished in one of the biggest AI-driven downsizing months of 2025. While some positions are being refilled, they're now outsourced or paid significantly less. Experts warn this isn't just automation, it's a massive global shuffle of tech talent. As companies streamline, many roles are shifting offshore. One analyst said, "The AI wave isn't eliminating jobs, it's relocating them." Let's turn to our next story. MNTN just launched QuickFrame AI, a breakthrough tool that lets any brand create studio-quality video ads in just minutes. No prior assets required. Here are the impressive numbers. QuickFrame can generate a TV ad concept in 90 seconds and a polished final ad in just 12 minutes. Already, over 2,750 brands are using it, with a 4.9 out of 5 satisfaction rating. Moving on to our next headline. Figma has acquired AI startup Weavey. Their AI-powered canvas lets designers create with just natural language prompts, speeding up everything from idea to prototype. This move signals a shift. Creative software is becoming AI first. Weavey's integration will make collaboration and design iteration faster than ever. A big step for the future of visual design. Next, in legal news, AI-generated documents are showing cracks. Law firms have reported costly errors in contracts and filings, mistakes that could damage reputations and finances. Analysts remind us that while AI is a powerful assistant, it should not replace expert scrutiny. Human oversight is still vital, especially in high-stakes legal scenarios where one typo can mean big consequences. This video is supported by ClassKid, an AI-powered education platform making professional tutoring affordable for every child everywhere. ClassKid. Every child is a genius. Support us on Kickstarter. Link in the description below. To wrap up, AI job cuts push global talent offshore. QuickFrame reinvents ad production. Figma doubles down on generative design. And AI-created legal content still needs human review. The AI age is evolving fast. Are you keeping up? Don't forget to subscribe for daily AI news updates. Hit that notification bell and share your thoughts in the comments. What story today surprised you the most?